Once upon a time, there was a little car named Charlie. He did not have a garage to sleep in. He lived outside in a lot where they sold used cars. Charlie was not shiny or new. His paint was rusty and his doors were old. Every day, Charlie watched the shiny new cars drive by. But they never even looked at him. "I wish I were new and shiny," said Charlie, "and I especially wish I could have a garage." One day, two ladies came to the car lot. They wanted a small car. The man who sold cars pointed at Charlie. "Now is my chance," said Charlie. "I'll show them I can go fast. Then the ladies will buy me and give me a garage." Charlie went whiz, whiz, whiz around and around. He was feeling so happy. But the ladies did not like it. "Mercy," said the ladies. "We don't want this car. It won't slow down at all." Charlie felt very sad. The next day, a boy came to look at the cars. The man who sold cars told him to try Charlie. "I will go very, very slowly this time," said Charlie. "Then the boy will buy me and give me a garage." So Charlie went very, very slowly. But the boy said, "That car's too slow," and he walked away. Charlie felt very sad. The next day, a young lady came by. Charlie was determined to do the right thing. "I won't go too fast and I won't go too slow," said Charlie. "I'll show her my engine is strong." "My God!" cried the lady. "This car is too noisy," and she hurried away. Charlie felt awful. He was sure he would never have a garage. Then a dad and his son, Toby, came along. They wanted a car for $50. The man was so mad at Charlie that he said, "Yes, there's a car for $50. They got inside Charlie. Charlie was so surprised that he forgot to show off. He just acted natural. They drove to a house that had a little yellow garage. Toby's dad started to fix Charlie. He put oil in Charlie's engine until it sounded as quiet as a cat. "I sound really quiet," thought Charlie. Then the dad hammered out the dents, oiled the hinges, and painted Charlie with a shiny red paint. "I look fine," shouted Charlie. Then Toby, his mummy, his daddy, and their cat and dog all went for a ride. Charlie was so happy that he bowed and smiled at all the other cars. And do you know what? The other cars bowed and smiled back. When they came home, Charlie drove right up the driveway into the little yellow garage, his new home. Charlie was never sad again. This is the story of the little car Charlie. And what did we learn? We learned that you don't need to show off to find where you belong. When you are just yourself, the right people will love you and help you shine. The end.